Today we have a 2011 Feeler HT30Y. Machine has a Fanuc 18i TB control. Machine has a tailstock and a chip conveyor. It's got a Royal collet closer mounted to the spindle. We have 3 live tools with the machine. All right, now we're gonna run it. What are we doing for a spindle? Live tool first. That's 500 RPM. 1500 RPM. 2500. All right. I'm gonna index the turret now. Z-axis. It's a little way cover noise. Ball screw sounds good. Same on the X. And the Y. We're gonna do the main spindle. We do C-axis movement here. It's got a full C-axis. .500 RPM on the main spindle. The only spindle. That's 1,000. 1250, 1500, 1800. That is 2,000 RPM. 2,400 about, right? Yeah, 2,400. All right. All right. Once again, machine comes with the tailstock, the chip conveyor. It can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.